We already know that on February 11th, Samsung will not only launch the Galaxy S20 series, but also the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, which is the next foldable phone from Samsung. In one of my previous videos, I talked about the specifications of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip that were shared by a couple of sources. We already know how the phone looks like, thanks to the live images that leaked last year. But today, the official images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip have leaked that confirm the design once again. Hopefully after this leak, a lot of questions about the design will get the answer. As I said in my previous video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, it is not a true successor to the Galaxy Fold of last year, as that is expected to launch in the second quarter of the year with 108 megapixel camera. Talking about the design, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip has a vertically folding display on the inside, so it has an extremely compact form factor just like Motorola Razr of last year. Samsung calls it the Infinity Flex screen, and it is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 22:9 aspect ratio. There is a punch hole for the single selfie camera as well. The display supports SDR10+, and there is an ultra thin glass on top that provides better protection than the protective film on the Galaxy Fold of last year. Just like the Motorola Razr of last year, there is a secondary display on the outside, but compared to that, the display is very small on the Galaxy Z Flip. It is a 1-inch Super AMOLED display, and it is used for showing information like date and time, notifications, etc. This is a premium phone from Samsung, so it is not a surprise that there is a metal frame and Gorilla Glass 6 on the back. Coming to the performance now, there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, and the phone has 8GB RAM along with 256GB storage. There is no option to expand the storage via microSD card. There is a dual camera setup on the back that includes a primary 12 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with 123-degree field of view. There is a 10 megapixel front facing camera with autofocus. The main rear camera can shoot 4K 60fps videos, whereas the front camera can shoot 4K 30fps videos. There is a 3300 mAh battery inside, and the Galaxy Z Flip supports 15W charging via USB Type-C port and up to 9W wireless charging. The fingerprint scanner is not under the display as it is placed on the right side. Android 10 runs out of the box with One UI 2.0 on top. Finally, coming to the pricing and availability, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip comes in two colors, purple and black. The price for the European market is going to be around 1500 euros, and it will most likely be available from February 14th in Europe. So what are your views on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip? And do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.